if you're experiencing pending transfers on your Capital One account. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. This guide will help you understand the process and get your transfers completed. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Navigate to the Transactions section to check the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an overview of what is pending and any associated details. Step 2. Review transfer details. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. Ensure that all the information, such as the recipient's account number and transfer amount, is correct. Mistakes in these details can cause delays. Step 3. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Verify account limits. Check if you have reached any transfer limits set by Capital One. These limits can affect the processing of your transfers. You can find this information in your account settings or by asking customer support. Step 5. Wait for processing. After addressing any issues, allow some time for the transfer to process. Transfers can take a few hours to a few days, depending on the type of transfer and the banks involved. Keep an eye on your account for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on your Capital One account. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.